When I became an amputee at the age of 14, I didn't have very many prosthetic options. My Satch feet, they lacked in comfort, function, and appearance, and I wasn't very proud of them. All I wanted to do was run, jump, and play, just like a normal kid. People may think that little kids don't care about their prostheses, but these kids grow, and they may develop insecurities, poor gait, and discomfort. College Park believes that amputees of all ages deserve quality prosthetic technology. Introducing the newest pediatric solution, the Scout. The Scout offers reliable energy return and growth to keep up with kids. This no-maintenance foot is lightweight, freshwater friendly, and built for youth. Combining Intelliweave with carbon fiber, the Scout uses a hybrid material approach to offer kids the best of both worlds. College Park's Intelliweave composites are woven by hand in a 3D pattern for ultimate flexibility and strength. The carbon fiber provides a dynamic response and increased energy return. With no maintenance needed, adventures become easier. Ranging from size 13 to 22, the Scout grows with its companion. It offers a unique size-up foot shell that allows the user to adjust to a larger size without needing a new foot. This foot also provides the option to easily stack growth plates to accommodate 19.5 millimeters of limb growth. College Park offers 4 mounting options to meet different needs. While I wish the Scout was around while I was growing up, I'm hopeful for this next generation of amputees. Kids now have a versatile, lightweight, high-performance solution that accommodates their unique journey. Please visit college-park.com for more information.